Hello students, I am going to give the solution of the exercise 1.4 of NCERT. There are only two questions in this exercise. Okay, in this exercise we have to visualize any number, decimal numbers which is terminating or which is non-terminating repeating decimals on the number line. By which method? The method is successive magnification method. Successive magnification method you can see in the solution. The first question is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification method. Okay, how to represent this number on the number line by this magnification method? You know, magnification means we have to locate in discrete form, in expanded form like this 3.765. First of all, we have to draw an integer number line. Integer number line, on integer number line this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in left side -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay, and see this, the number which we have to locate on the number line lying between which integers? 3.765. See carefully, this number is more than 3 but less than 4. It means this number lying between 3 and 4. So we have to magnify 3, 4. To magnify 3, 4, you have to draw another number line here. Right here 3 and right here 4, and divide this number line into 10 equal parts. If we divide it into 10 equal parts, this will be like 3.1. After 3, you can write 3 as 3.0. This will be first part 3.1, 3.2, second part 3.3, third 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4.0. This will be last 4. Okay, after magnifying you will get this number. First you have to write 3 and here we have to write 4 and divide this line segment into 10 equal parts, and each part, the value of each part will be like this: 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4, last is 4.0. Okay, now see again, the given number 3.765 is lying between which two numbers? Now see, 3.76, it means this number is more than 3.7 but less than 3.8. if we compare only at first decimal places from left, you will get this number is lying between 3.7 and 3.8. okay, you can easily compare it. Again we have to draw 3 point, it means this number is lying between 3.7 and 3.8. so we have to magnify this number. To magnify this, we have to draw another number line. Again we have to draw this line and divide this line into 10 equal parts again. This number, first number will be 3.7, this number, and the last number is 3.8 here. After dividing into 10 equal parts, it will be like 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and 3.80. Now we have to compare on this number line again the given number. Now we have to compare after decimal from left at two decimal places. This number is 3.76. The third number is here 5. It means this number is more than 3.76 and less than 3.77. It means this number is lying between these two numbers 3.76 and 3.77. Again we have to magnify this number to get this number on in between this. So we have to magnify this. To magnify, we have to draw another number line again, and this number line divide into 10 equal parts. After dividing, you will get like the numbers 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769, 3.770. Okay, now see your number 3.765. On this number line you will get your number 3.765. so by this magnification method you can represent any terminating decimal, non-terminating, repeating decimals up to a given fixed decimal places. You can represent the given numbers. Okay, now see next question. Question number 2. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. क्या कह रहे हैं? Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Okay, given number is 4.26 bar. It means which type of decimal is this? This is non-terminating repeating decimal. It means here only 262626 after decimal. These two digits will be repeated only. Okay, but we have to represent up to 4 decimal places only. It means we have to visualize 4.2626. okay, on the number line. First we have to draw. Remember the method which is used in question number 1. First you have to draw integer number line like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, and -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Now see the given number lying between in which two numbers. This is 4.2626. This is more than 4 obviously, and but less than 5. This number is more than 4 and less than 5. It means this given number lying between 4 and 5. So we have to visualize, we have to magnify this number 4 and 5. After magnifying, you will get this number line in magnified form. Here will be 4 and here will be 5. This 4 here and 5. After magnifying this number line in between 4 and 5, this will be like this: 4 to 5, and divide this number line into 10 equal parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be 4.0 first number. This will be 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here this will be wrong. Okay, this will be 4.9 and 5. Okay, now Again compare on this number line in which two numbers the given number is lying. This is 4.26. It is more than 4.2 but less than 4.3. So we have to see here, this number is 4.2 and 4.3. It means the given number is lying between 4.2 and 4.3. It means on this line. So we have to magnify this line. After magnifying this line, you will get like this. Here 4.2, write 4.20, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 5. Last value 5.0. Now see, this number is more than 4.26 but less than 4.27 on this number line. It means this number is more than 4.26. This point represent 4.26 and this represent 4.27. So we have to magnify this line. This line. After magnifying, you will get like this. This is 4. First number is 4.260. You can write, and you 4.270. Divide 4.261. Okay. 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, and the last is 4.270. Okay. 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269 and then 270. Now see, the given number is lying between which two numbers? This is more than 4.262 but less than 4.263. It means this number is lying between this number 4.262 and 4.263. So we have to magnify again. This point is 4.263, sorry, 2620. After this 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.266, 2.26, 4.2627, 4.2628 and the last number 4.2629 and the last is 4.2630. We have to locate which number 4.2626. This will be your answer. 4.2626 will be your answer. So by this method you can represent any number which are terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, thank you. So you have to solve all the questions of this exercise also, and previous exercise also you have to solve very carefully. All the questions and examples should be in your fair copy. Okay, thank you.